Dear viewers, good morning and good day. This is Pride Channel calling you. See, you are going to see a clipping where a bullet train bridge in Gujarat's Anand has collapsed. At least two have died, and many feared to be trapped in debris. The incident brings back memories of the Kolkata's Posta Bridge collapse, where our Honorable Prime Minister said, "This is not an act of God, but an act of fraud." See, this clipping is taken from X.com account Nilanjan Das. Mr. Nilanjan Das, in his post, is asking, "Will Honorable PM will have the same words today?" So you see the clipping by yourself, and then decide, think what you want to say the matter, right? So I leave it for your understanding and inference. No comments from my side, right? Thank you. Let us see the video.
इतना बड़ा ब्रिज टूट गया तो क्या कहते हैं ये लोग? ये कहते हैं ये तो एक्ट ऑफ गॉड है। दीदी, ये एक्ट ऑफ गॉड नहीं, ये तो एक्ट ऑफ फ्रॉड है। फ्रॉड, ये एक्ट ऑफ फ्रॉड का परिणाम है। ये एक्ट ऑफ गॉड तो उस मात्रा में जरूर है क्योंकि चुनाव के दिनों में गिरा ताकि पता चले कि आपने कैसी सरकार चलाई है। इसलिए भगवान ने लोगों को संदेश दिया है कि आज ये ब्रिज टूटा, कल ये पूरा बंगाल ऐसे ही खत्म कर देगी, इसको बचाओ। ये भगवान ने संदेश भेजा है।
See, you are seeing the clip. So I leave the noble hearts to think it and ponder over it and draw your own conclusions and inferences. I repeat, this video clipping is taken from X.com account Nilanjan Das. So friends, kindly subscribe to your Pride channel and support me. Thank you. God bless you all.